Hi everyone, my name is Anna and welcome to the Italian Rapunzel. This channel is all about helping you grow healthy, strong and beautiful hair. In today's video, we will compare the regular Head and Shoulders to the Bare Head and Shoulder and to the DermaDoctor Zinc Base Shampoo. I will share with you my experience with each one of these, the positives and the negatives. So let's get into it. What I love about the regular Head and Shoulders is that it's good for hair growth, it's great for cleaning very well the scalp, and it's good for dandruff. Now, the downside is that it may be a little bit irritating for certain people or way too dry, especially for the ends, and that is why we're not supposed to put shampoo on our ends, but only on the scalp. And of course, it's inevitable that a little bit of shampoo will go on your ends. I think Head and Shoulders is the best shampoo that is also budget friendly on the market. Another negative of the regular Head and Shoulder is that it has fragrance, and that also can be irritating to some people. The positive side is that your hair is gonna smell so fucking good. Now let's go to this DermaDoctor Pyrithione Zinc based shampoo. So for short, I will just say zinc rather than Pyrithione zinc because it's way too long. So the positive side for this one is that it has 2% of Pyrithione zinc compared to the 1% that Head and Shoulder has. This one is fragrance-free and made for sensitive skins. And this one is also made for face and body, which means that you can use it on your face and it's not going to irritate. And it's great for seborrheic dermatitis and fungal acne. So this one will be best if you have sensitive skin, you have acne, you're struggling with skin issues like seborrheic dermatitis. And also it's great for people who are very picky about fragrances and they don't want any fragrance at all in their shampoo or products. Now, both this DermaDoctor Tranquility Cleanser and shampoo and the regular Head and Shoulders shampoo, they will clean your scalp very well, that it feels like squeaky clean. So for some people, again, it might be too drying, especially for the ends. However, this Bare shampoo, I was surprised. It has fragrance. It is made with soothing ingredients or minimal ingredients, and that's what they say. However, this does not give at all the squeaky clean feeling that you get when using any other shampoo. And it doesn't matter how much you put or how many washes you're doing, this one will never, ever makes you feel like squeaky hair. I'm not sure how or why, but basically it has this soothing hydration part to it, even though it's not a conditioner, it's just a shampoo. But at the same time, it doesn't make your hair dry. So if you're worried about your ends being too dry when using these zinc-based shampoos or anti-dandruff shampoos in general, or antifungal shampoos in general, this will be the best one to use. Now let's compare the prices. So the cheapest one will be the regular Head and Shoulders with regular fragrance, the regular Head and Shoulders. That's the cheapest. If you order on Amazon, you're gonna get those big bottles, 2 of them for like less than 20 bucks. It's literally very cheap. Whereas this one is the most expensive, but also it's the one that is made for sensitive skin, is fragrance free, and it also has a higher percentage of the Pyrithione zinc. This one, it is cheaper compared to this DermaDoctor shampoo. However, it is not as cheap as the regular Head and Shoulders. You still get 2 bottles on Amazon for $17, so it's not that pricey, but it is a smaller size compared to the regular Head and Shoulders. So far, this one is my favorite. I just love the fact that not only has zinc, but also doesn't leave that squeaky clean feeling, even though I use a lot of it. Now, will I use this one also for my face? Not really, because I'm picky about fragrance, but for my body, sure, I'll use it. I will say if they made this without fragrance, this will be great. Now, I love the regular Head and Shoulders as well, and I love the fact that you can choose the scent. And probably what I'm going to do is to switch among them. Maybe just keep all of them, like sometimes use this one, especially for my face. When I feel like my hair is getting too dry, I'll use this one. And then sometimes when I want to have that extra scent on my hair, I'll use the regular Head and Shoulders. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section below which shampoos you have tried that you love, which ones you hate, and your experience with Head and Shoulders. And thank you for watching.